Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can place your um, Discord link to your TikTok bio. So to get the link, just select your server, invite people, and then here you're just going to select edit invite link. I usually select expired after never and select no limit if you want your viewers to be able to join your server. Then you are going to generate new link and then you're going to copy and paste it into your TikTok bio, and that's pretty much it really. It's that easy. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.